Laser levels help you level multiple pieces on your wall at once. There are many products available to choose laser levels, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best laser levels from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Line Laser. This DeWalt laser level was our top testing choice. It had a high degree of visibility when displayed on a white wall with both the lights on and off, and it was also one of the only laser levels we tested to be visible outside. This versatile level can project up to 165 feet and has a highly magnetic bracket. Our testing experience. The DeWalt Line laser stood out in almost every test we performed when compared to other laser levels, which is why it stands out as our top choice. Its red beam has a bright light that was also noticeably denser than the other models we tested. It came with a high-quality hard case and attached magnetic mount. It was also one of 2 laser levels we tested that was visible in the daylight, and it has a long visibility range of 165 feet. What we like about it? High visibility for the beam indoors. Strong magnetic charge. Comes with a hard case and attached magnetic mount. What we don't like about it? Was hard to see outdoors in the sunlight. Has a high price point. Number 2. DeWalt Self-Leveling Laser Level. This efficient laser level performed well in several of our tests, especially for a medium-priced option. It includes a highly visible 3-beam crossing line and has a more visible line than some other models. It also has a durable casing and automatic leveling for a more efficient setup. Our testing experience. While this laser level didn't perform as well as the more expensive laser levels we reviewed, it did hold up well for its price point. It featured the 3rd best visibility in both the lights on and lights off test and extended up the wall and onto the ceiling. It also got points for having a cross-line and automatic leveling. What we like about it? Has a 50-foot highly visible laser. Has a strong magnetic mount. Features a 3-beam crossing line. What we don't like about it? Does not have automatic leveling. Could not be seen during our outdoor testing. Number 3. Rockseed Laser Level. This inexpensive laser level is good for small projects and has several useful features like cross lines, automatic leveling, and an included carrying case. This level has a durable design and is available with a green laser as well for greater visibility. It can also be set to a manual adjustment mode if needed. Our testing experience. This laser level is recommended for light projects as it had a less visible line than most of the other laser levels we tested. It did get full marks in the magnet test and comes with automatic leveling. It also included a soft case to protect it during transportation. What we like about it? Features a cross-line laser. Offers automatic leveling. Comes with a soft case. What we don't like about it? Did not have a very visible light compared to other laser levels we tested. Did not include a magnetic attachment. Number 4. Bosch Cross-Line Laser Level. This laser level was one of the top models during our test. It had a highly visible line that extended onto the ceiling and a clear crossing interface. It also includes automatic leveling and has a magnetic plate as well as a laser target plate to increase the beam's reach. Our testing experience. The Bosch Cross-Line Laser Level was one of the standouts during our test. It finished second in both the lights on and lights off test, only behind the DeWalt laser level. This level was also the most visible level in our outdoor test. Plus, it included the most accessories as it came with a hard case, screw mount, laser target plate, and a magnetic mount. What we like about it? Had an easy-to-see line. Featured a clear crossing interface. Can be seen outdoors. What we don't like about it? Model is heavier than others in this review. Is pricier than many other laser level models. Number 5. Black Decker Laser Level. This laser level performs well for light-duty tasks such as hanging photos, installing shelves, or other small household tasks. It has an affordable price point and also comes with a rotating wall attachment that can stick directly into drywall to create a line where you need it. Our testing experience. This laser level didn't perform as well as the other laser levels we tested, but it is also not designed to be seen from long distances or be used for heavy-duty leveling projects. For what it is designed for, this laser level performed well and has a good value. When set up close to the wall, the light extended up onto the ceiling, and it also performed well in the magnet test. Its rotating wall attachment was also a standout feature. What we like about it? Includes a magnetic base. Includes a rotating wall attachment. Has a low price point. What we don't like about it. Ineffective for long distances. Requires self-leveling. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.